Okay, good morning students. Next derivation, capacitors in parallel. What is next derivation? Capacitors in parallel. When we are going to say capacitors in parallel, कब हम बोल सकते हैं two capacitors are in parallel? When we are going to say capacitors are connected in parallel. Before that you focus figure 1 only. To understand when we have to say capacitors are in parallel, first you focus figure 1. This is capacitor C1, this is capacitor C2, this is terminal A, this is terminal B. Positive plate of C1, positive plate of C2 connected to terminal A, point A. Negative plate of C1, negative plate of C2 connected to common point B. Now this common point is A. For that, positive plate of C1, positive plate of C2 are connected, and common point B for which negative plate of C1 and negative plate of C2 are connected. Then only we are going to say capacitors are in parallel. ऐसे connection दे तो ही capacitors are connected in parallel बोल सकते. And V is the common potential difference across each capacitor. This time we don't have V1, V2. Potential difference is same across capacitor C1 and capacitor C2. यहाँ पे potential difference क्या है? Same है across capacitor C1 and C2. Charges are different. Charge on C1 is Q1, charge on C2 is Q2. But potential difference across C1 and C2 is same. And when we are going to say two capacitors are in parallel, positive plates of C1 and C2 are connected to one point, and negatives of C1 and C2 are connected to another point. Here A and B are the common points. Why we said A is common? Because it is common for positive plate of C1 and positive plate of C2. B is common for negative plate of C1 and negative plate of C2. Then we are going to say this kind of arrangement we call capacitors are in parallel. See, capacitors in parallel. When the positive plates of all the capacitors are connected to one common point and the negative plates to another common point, then the capacitors are said to be in parallel. Okay? When the positive plates of all the capacitors are connected to one common point and the negative plates to another common point, then the capacitors are said to be connected in parallel. Let us see. Capacitors are connected in parallel means what condition should be there? कैपेसिटर्स पैरेलल में है बोले तो क्या सेम रहते हैं क्या डिफरेंट रहते हैं. जैसा हम सीरीज में पढ़े थे, whenever capacitors are in series, who is same, charge is same, potential difference is different. This time it is reverse because it is parallel combination. Capacitors are said to be in parallel when they are connected between two common points. Which are those 2 points? A and B. So that on applying a potential difference across the combination, क्या सेम रहते हैं? C1, C2 कैपेसिटर से कॉमन पॉइंट्स के बीच में कनेक्ट करें. जब आप पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बैटरी से अप्लाई करें तो कौन सेम रहते, कौन डिफरेंट रहते? कौन सेम रहते? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस ईच कैपेसिटर इज सेम बट चार्ज इज डिफरेंट. द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस ईच कैपेसिटर इज सेम एज दैट अप्लाइड अक्रॉस द कॉम्बिनेशन. बैटरी सर्किट में बैटरी वोल्टेज कितना है? V है. तो यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस कैपेसिटर C1 एंड C2 इज आल्सो V ओनली. The potential difference across each capacitor is same as that of the applied across combination. Means potential difference across C1 is equal to potential difference across C2. Second, the total charge stored in the combination is equal to sum of the charges on each capacitor. Let us say charge on capacitor C1 is Q1, charge on capacitor C2 is Q2. The total charge is Q. That Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. That Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. What is Q1? Charge stored on C1. What is Q2? Charge stored on C2. Now how much is the net charge, the total charge of the combination? Capital Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. वही लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. That is Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. When these two conditions are satisfied, then only we can say capacitors are in parallel. जब ये दो conditions satisfy होते हैं तभी हम बोल सकते हैं capacitors are connected in parallel. Which are those two conditions? Whenever two capacitors are connected in parallel, then you apply a potential difference across the combination by using a battery. How you are applying potential difference? By using a battery. Battery is a source for applying the potential difference externally. Capacitors are said to be in parallel when they are connected between two common points. कौन है common points? A and B. So that ऐसा करे तो कैपेसिटर्स कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल है, बैटरी से पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अप्लाई करे तब कौन सेम रहते, सो दैट ऑन अप्लाइंग पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस द कॉम्बिनेशन अप्लाई करे कौन सेम रहते, द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस ईच कैपेसिटर इज सेम. दिस मीन्स देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ V1 एंड V2, V ओनली. यहाँ पे V1 is equal to V2. Yes. Why? Potential difference across capacitor. Each capacitor is same. This means we have common potential difference here. यहाँ पे common potential difference word आता. The potential difference across each capacitor is same as that applied across the combination. कितना रहता? V रहता. कितना V? आप सर्क्यूट कॉम्बिनेशन में बैटरी से जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अप्लाई करे थे, बैटरी से कितना पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अप्लाई करे थे, V अप्लाई करे थे. द सेम पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अपीयर्स अक्रॉस C1 एंड C2. Whatever potential difference you apply across the combination, the same potential difference appears across C1 and C2, that is V. And second, the total charge stored in the combination is equal to sum of the charges on each capacitor. Q1 is a charge stored in C1, Q2 is a charge stored in C2, then total charge is Q is equal to C1 plus C2. This is what two conditions you have to remember. Then only we can say capacitors are connected in parallel. Next, see the circuit diagram. This is A, for which positive plate of C1, positive plate of C2 are connected. This is a point B, common point, where negative plate of C1, negative plate of C2 are connected. And this is a battery, positive terminal, negative terminal. How much is the battery potential? V. Now how much is the potential difference between A and B? How much is the potential difference A and B? V. Okay. Here can we say common points are A and B. Charges stored on C1 and C2 are different. Charges stored on C1 is Q1, charge stored on C2 is Q2. But potential difference across C1 is also V, across C2 is also V. Means potential difference is same, charges are different. यहाँ पे PD सेम रहता, PD सेम, चार्ज डिफरेंट रहते हैं. दिस इज फिगर 1. राइट नाउ यू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ओनली ऑन फिगर 1. BA मीन्स बैटरी. व्हाट इज BA? बैटरी. कंसिडर two capacitors of capacitances C1 and C2 connected in parallel between A and B. Yes, what are A and B? Common points. यहाँ पे A and B क्या है? Common points है. दो common points के बीच में हम C1 C2 connect करें. Consider two capacitors of capacitances C1 C2 connected in parallel between A and B. In parallel बोले तो all positive plates of C1 and C2 connected to A, all negative plates of C1 and C2 connected to B. This thing only we say common points between A and B. Consider two capacitors of capacitances C1 and C2 connected in parallel between A and B as shown in figure 1. As shown in figure 1. What is V? V be the potential difference applied between A and B. V potential difference है. कैसे? क्या यूज करके? बैटरी यूज करके. By using battery, we are applying a potential difference. Let V be the potential difference applied between A and B. Then the potential difference across plates of all the capacitors is same. जैसे आप C1, C2 parallel में है, जैसे बैटरी पोटेंशियल V देते, the first condition you are getting potential difference across C1 is equal to C2. This means this time we have common potential difference. See there. Then the potential difference across the plates of all the capacitors is same. That is, V be the common potential difference across each capacitor. What is V? V be the common potential difference across each capacitor. How much is potential difference across C1? V. How much is potential difference across C2? V. How much is potential difference between A and B? That is also V. We don't have V1, V2. We have V only. Potential difference across C1 is also V. Potential difference across C2 is also V. Potential difference between A and B is also V. Then the potential difference across the plates of all the capacitors is same. That is, V be the common potential difference across each capacitor. Okay. Later you see. Now, but charges stored on C1 and C2 is different. यहाँ पे एक चीज देखो, potential difference across C1 is equal to C2. Potential difference across C1 is equal to C2. But charges stored on C1 and C2 are different because now we are studying parallel combination of capacitor. अभी फिलहाल हम क्या स्टडी कर रहे हैं? पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स. यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस सेम है बट चार्ज स्टोर्ड ऑन C1 इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम C2. हाउ मच इज द चार्ज स्टोर्ड ऑन C1? Q1. हाउ मच इज द चार्ज स्टोर्ड ऑन C2? Q2. Q1 and Q2 are the charges on the capacitors of capacitances C1, C2 respectively. क्या है Q1? Q1 is the charge stored on capacitor C1 and Q2 is the charge stored on capacitor C2. Let us see. Then charge on capacitor of capacitance C1 is, how much is the charge on capacitor of capacitance C1? We have one formula, C is equal to Q by V or C1 is equal to Q1 by V. We can't write V1 because V is same. हम यहाँ पे Q1 है बोल के यहाँ पे V1 नहीं लिखना, क्यों बोले तो V is the common potential difference. V is the common potential difference. We can't write V1 V2 because V is V, common potential difference. C is equal to Q by V, basic definition of capacitance. Wherever C is there C1, wherever Q is there Q1 divided by V, or Q1 is equal to cross multiply. Q1 is equal to cross multiply करें तो कितने होते? How much is cross multiplied? Q1 is equal to C1V. Q1 is equal to C1V. That's what directly written here. Charge on capacitor of capacitance C1 is, how much is the charge stored on capacitor 1? Q1 is equal to C1V. Similarly, charge on capacitor of capacitance C2 is, Q2 is equal to C2V. This is the charge stored on first capacitor. This is the charge stored on second capacitor. You can see the circuit diagram. C1 में कैपेसिटर C1 में चार्ज स्टोर हुए सो कितने हैं? C1V. C2 में चार्ज स्टोर हुए सो कितना है? C2V. Q1 is equal to C1V is the charge stored on capacitor C1. Q2 is equal to C2V is the charge stored on capacitor 2. Q1 is equal to C1V is the charge on capacitor 1. Q2 is equal to C2V is the capacitor. Q2 is equal to C2V is the charge stored on capacitor C2. Q1 is equal to C1V is the charge on capacitor of capacitance C1. Q2 is equal to C2V is the charge on capacitor of capacitance C2. Okay. But we know total charge is how much. हम अभी conditions पढ़े थे. Total charge means ये definition recall करो. You recall this point. Total charge means how much? We have Q1 is a charge stored on C1, Q2 is a charge stored on C2. Then how much is the total charge? Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. ये कंडीशन क्यों अप्लाई करें? बिकॉज कैपेसिटर्स आर इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन द टोटल चार्ज Q on the combination is Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. आप दोनों को मिला के इक्वेशन 1 बोल के बोलो. You say together as equation 1 and now you say this one as equation 2. Q1 और Q2 को मिला के इक्वेशन 1 बोलो और यहाँ पे Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 को दोनों को मिला के इक्वेशन 2 बोलो. Total charge is equal to sum of the charges on C1 and C2. Total charge of the combination is equal to sum of charges on C1 and C2. Give it as equation number 2. Now you only think and tell me, you have equation 1, you have equation 2. Equation 1 you written for Q1, Q2. In equation 2 you have Q1 plus Q2. You have to substitute equation 1 in equation 2. क्या करना आपको? You have to substitute equation 1 in equation 2. Substituting equation 1 in equation 2. Then LHS is Q, no change. Instead of Q1, C1V. Instead of Q1, C1V. Instead of Q2, C2V. Instead of Q1, C1V using equation 1. Instead of Q2, C2V using equation 1. Can you take V common? यहाँ पे भी V है, यहाँ पे भी V है. See, here also you have V. Here also you have V. Can you take common? यहाँ पे भी V है, यहाँ पे भी V है. Can you bring it outside? Yes, you bring it outside. Q is equal to C1 plus C2 outside V. Give it as equation number 3. C1 plus C2 bracket V, where V is the potential difference applied across the combination. Give it as equation number 3. Equation 3 you set up for figure 1. अब जो इक्वेशन 3 आपको मिला है किसके लिए है? फिगर 1 के लिए है. वॉट एवर इक्वेशन 3 यू गॉट दैट इज सेटअप फॉर फिगर 1. आप इक्वेशन 3 जो डिराइव करें दैट इज फिगर 1. नाउ गो टू फिगर 2. व्हाट यू आर सीइंग फ्रॉम फिगर 2? कैन यू हैव 2 कैपेसिटर्स और यू हैव ओनली 1? You have only one. What is its name? CP. What is CP? Effective capacitance in parallel combination. CP का नाम क्या है? Effective capacitance in parallel combination. That stores the same charge Q as the combination does. दोनों C1 C2 मिलके जितना चार्ज स्टोर कर रहे थे, अकेले ही स्टोर कर रहे. कितना चार्ज स्टोर कर रहे? Q by applying a potential difference V. So what is CP? CP is the effective capacitance in parallel combination which stores same amount of charge Q as stored by C1 C2 by applying a potential difference V. जब पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बैटरी से V दे रहे तो आपके पास कितने चार्जेस स्टोर्ड है? Q. In which capacitor? Cp. Is it single capacitor or not? Yes, it is a single capacitor. That's why we call the name effective capacitance in parallel combination Cp, that stores the same amount of charge Q on applying a potential difference V. C1 C2 मिलके कितने चार्ज स्टोर कर लेते, अकेले इन्हों चार्ज स्टोर करे. दैट्स वाई Cp का नाम क्या है? इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. Let the combination of capacitors between A and B be replaced by a single capacitor called effective capacitor Cp. What is its name? Cp. Is it single capacitor as shown in figure 2? It is that single capacitor. Cone Cp. It is that single capacitor which effectively replaces the combination so that same charge Q is stored at the same potential difference V. जितना कॉम्बिनेशन C1 C2 मिलके चार्ज स्टोर कर रहे, अकेले Cp उतने ही चार्ज स्टोर कर रहे when you applied potential difference V. That's why we call Cp is the effective capacitance in parallel combination. Let Cp be the effective capacitance of the parallel combination. Let Cp be the effective capacitance of the parallel combination. Yes, you apply C is equal to Q by V formula figure 2. You apply C is equal to Q by V formula for figure 2. Now you got C is equal to Q by V from the basic definition of capacitance. Wherever C is there, you put Cp because we are discussing for effective. C के जगह में Cp आ गया, Q के जगह में QE रहता, V के जगह में V रहता. C के जगह में Cp, Q के जगह में Q, total charge stored and potential difference applied is also V. Cp is equal to Q by V. Cross multiply. What happens when you cross multiply? क्या होते cross multiply करे तो? Q is equal to CPV. Q is equal to CPV. That's what we written. Q is equal to CPV. Give it as equation number 4. Q is equal to CPV. Give it as equation number 4. Equation 3 you set up for. Equation 3 आप किसके लिए सेटअप करे थे? Equation 3 you set up for figure 1. Equation 4 you set up for figure 2. Equation 3 you set up for figure 1. Equation 4 you set up for figure 4. Now observe carefully equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 और 4 दोनों देखो carefully. Equation 3 और equation 4 carefully देखो. What is your conclusion? You observe carefully equation 3 and 4. What is your conclusion? LHS is also Q. LHS is also Q. Can you equate RHS? LHS are same and hence can we equate RHS? Equation 3 और 4 को देखते हुए LHS are same. Can we equate RHS? Yes, we can equate RHS. From equations 3 and 4 we get LHS are same. Equate RHS. Now CPV is equal to C1 plus C2V. Who will get cancelled? Who will get cancelled? V will get cancelled. This implies that Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. This is what our final result. Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. That is the expression for effective capacitance when two capacitors are connected in parallel. ये किसका expression है? This is the expression for effective capacitance when two capacitors are connected in parallel. Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 is the expression for effective capacitance when two capacitors are connected in parallel combination. Now this is for two capacitors. For n number of capacitors. For n capacitors connected in parallel. For n capacitors connected in parallel. Yes, you only say क्या होते? Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus dash 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 plus Cn. This is for two capacitors connected in parallel and this is for n number of capacitors connected in parallel. This is general expression. ये general है. In general में in general n number of capacitors are connected in parallel, then Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus dash 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 plus Cn. This is for n number of capacitors connected in parallel. Can you say in sentence like this? Sentence में हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं क्या? Effective capacitance in parallel combination is equal to sum of the individual capacitances connected in combination. Sentence में हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं effective capacitance in parallel combination is equal to the sum of the individual capacitors connected in combination. Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. Sentence में हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. Sentence में हम कैसा बोल सकते हैं? The effective capacitance of a number of capacitors connected in parallel is equal to the sum of the individual capacitances. In sentence we can say like this. Sentence में हम कैसा बोल सकते हैं? Effective capacitance of a number of capacitors connected in parallel is equal to the sum of the individual capacitances. General formula ऐसा है देखो, Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. ये n कितने हमारे को मालूम नहीं, they may be 50, they may be 100. Can you say like this? The effective capacitance of a number of capacitors connected in parallel is equal to the sum of the individual capacitances. Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. ये सेंटेंस में हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. See carefully.